Welcome to HT Sweets UK Limited. We sell slush machines, popcorn and candy floss machines with complete accessories and variety of cups and straws. Visit our website to order now. Learn how to change gearbox of Fabi Skyline cab slush machine. Remove the screw covers first. Open the screws carefully. Open the screws of LED cover. Remove the lead cover and evaporator support cover carefully. Open screw of back panel. Remove the slush adjustment wheel and its spring carefully as shown in video. Carefully pull outward gear motor and remove brass bushing as shown in video. Cut the wire grip carefully. Cut the supply line. Now replace the faulty motor with new motor. Place the brass bush and insert the gear motor in machine. Insert the wheel adjustment slush with its spring. Grip the wires. Plug the supply line tightly as shown in video. Check the click voice of switch and gear motor as in video. Fix the evaporator back support cover. Fix and screw the back panel tightly. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our channel for more videos.